Hey, I woke up this morning to a nice little surprise. My channel has gone over 1 million views, which to somebody like me is absolutely amazing. I'm astonished that people are interested in the things that they are. I'm glad people are stopping by, and I really do appreciate people viewing the videos. I appreciate people leaving comments. I appreciate people leaving suggestions. Please continue to do so in the future. It helps guide me on things that you may want to see, and I never know what I'm going to do. In the past, if I had known I was going to do stuff like this, I would have recorded a lot of things that people may have found interesting or may have found helpful. So it just kind of started as an accident, me doing something, recording something, say, I bet somebody might need to know how to do this or would be interested to know how to do this. I have some projects in the works, and I always have revisions to videos that I've made where I didn't realize. I try to be as thorough as I can in explanations of things, but I guess being in the middle, you lose sight occasionally. So I'll skip over something that is obvious to me and not obvious to other people. And I have had a few camera glitches that didn't work out the way I intended when the video was finished. So I do it with verbal explanation instead of video explanation. And I'm gonna remedy some of those to help some people that just aren't understanding something I'm trying to explain. Again, thank y'all very much. I hope y'all will continue to visit in the future, and good luck with your projects.